Here today I have an unboxing of this 14-inch LED ring light. I got this from Amazon from, I believe the name is Zumi, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. But this is the box it comes in. So here we have the actual light. It comes in its own little bag. We also have the power source. And the last thing we have is a tripod. There aren't any instructions included with this light, but it's a light, pretty easy on and off switch. The tripod's pretty standard. It's nothing fancy, as you can see here. The legs aren't telescopic. It's only the neck, but this will work, you know. So onto the actual piece that matters. A nice little bag to carry the light in. It would have been nice if there was a bag for the tripod, or if it fit in here, but it's okay. So here's the light. And it does have the removable lenses for either the natural light, or sorry, the warm light or the cool light. Which simply snaps off, held by a couple of clips. On the back we have the input for the power source and the switch. The switch also allows you to change the amount of light output you're going to have. So let me show you that. Oh, well, I keep going on. So we got a little lever here, and you can turn it, tighten it, and then you can choose your angle. On top here we have the mount for either your camera or a cell phone, and included in the bag there's a little pocket in here. It's a little hard to see because of the shadows. There we go, a little pocket there. And in that pocket no, I stand corrected. There are some instructions, but like I said, you really don't need those. So we have here is the little clip to hold the phone, iPhone or whatever you're using, and then the adapter for either a camera or this little thing. So let me show you the light in action. Oh. So you can see it here. So if my camera was here in the middle, so you know, there it is. Simple light. It's pretty slim here on the sides. The only thing is with the tripod, it looks like you are going to have to use this tripod, and you might not be able to use one of your own tripods, like for a camera. It looks like it only uses this tripod. But other than that, just a quick unboxing of Zumiez 14-inch LED light.